Good morning, students. This is Pushpa here from Modern English High School. We are going to study Standard 8 Science, Lesson 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In the last class, we have studied about reproduction and types of reproduction. In this lesson, we will talk about hormones that play important role in the growth of child into an adult. Growth begins from the very first day when the baby is born. The different stages involved are infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and the old age. Now, the first topic is infancy. The period from the growth of baby from birth to 2 years is called infancy. The baby is called as an infant. Second is childhood. The age of 3 to 12 years is the childhood stage. Third, adolescence. The age from 13 to 19 years is adolescence stage. It is the period from childhood to adulthood. The person is called an adolescent. Fourth is adulthood, that is the age from 20 to 40 years. The old age, the age of a person above 40 years is old age. Now, there are different stages of growth in a human body. Growth is a natural process. Body undergoes many changes year after year. You all must have heard the word teenager. Who is a teenager? A boy or a girl at the age from 13 to 19 years is called a teenager. And adolescence is a period of life of a person when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. The period of adolescence varies from person to person. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 to 19 years of age. These changes mark the onset of puberty. What is puberty? It is a period when sex hormones are produced in boys or girls and they become sexually mature, that is, boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Boys start producing sperm and girls start producing egg. There are many changes taking place during puberty. Let us study some of them. There is sudden increase in the height of a person. Boys they grow at the age of 13 years and girls till the age of 11. Arms and legs start growing first. This is how the height increases. Refer the activity 10.1. There is a chart given which gives the average rate of growth in height of boys and girls. That is, the percentage of full height of boys and girls along with their age is given, and we can calculate the height of the person by the formula, which is full height is equal to present height in centimeter upon the percentage of full height at his age multiplied by 100. Say for example, if a boy is given who is 9 years old and 120 centimeter tall, his height will be 160 centimeter tall according to this formula. If we use the data for making a graph of height on y-axis and age in years on x-axis, the height of girls we can see increases much faster than that of boys. That is, the girls increase at faster rate than boys. There is great difference in the rate of growth of height. Some of them they grow gradually, whereas some grow suddenly. This is all because height depends on the genes inherited from parents. That means the genes are responsible for increase in height or the changes in the height. Right kind of food is important for these growing years. One should get a balanced diet. That means the children should get nutritious food, nutritional food to get adequate nourishment for growth. Now let us talk about changes taking place in our body. The first change is in the shape of body, or we can say change in body shape. When the boys enter the age of puberty, shoulders become broad and they have wider chest. Now, in boys, there is increase in muscle growth, that is, increase in the muscle tissues. Biceps and shoulder they broaden. In case of girls, there is first increase in fat tissue that moves from middle to the upper and lower body, thus giving curvier appearance. That means in girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. So these are the changes in the body shape. Second one is the change in voice. Voice box or larynx begins to grow at puberty. Boys develop larger voice. In case of girls, larynx is hardly visible because of its small size.